want to present a birthday gift to our guest who's here today, Ogala One. If you are in Akoka and you love Ogala, can you make some noise? If you know you love Pasuma, make some noise. Big shout out to Honorable Dr. Bumi Obakoya for making this happen in Akoka. Tipsy Lounge. Tell a friend to tell more friends. 34 Barikinsu Yede, any day, anytime. So, Mama, I'll give you the mic to say one or two things.
Duma, and happy birthday to him for making it happen today. I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you.
Ogala, only came out shitty by you. Come and be lost in the motor straight in it. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jolly fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Hooray! And so say all of us. And so say all of us. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all. Thank you. síra ìtàn tún padà sí dada. olórí mo fẹ́ wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ bí wá ẹ̀ fúnra ọjọ́ nípa tó ọ́fíìsì pẹ̀pẹ́ ọ́fíìsì ẹ̀dúrà lálẹ́ pé àbẹ̀rẹ̀ láàṣẹ tó lẹ́ẹ̀ láàṣẹ tó bẹ̀ fún mi lẹ́yìn sọ láàṣẹ tó bẹ̀ sàmà lẹ́yìn sẹ́ni láàṣẹ tó bẹ̀ sọ̀lá lẹ́yìn tí kò ní ìjọba sọ́yìn tí bá gbọ́dọ̀ tún láàrin sọ̀rọ̀ ìyára ọ̀gá.
Thank you.